of Temo kamawanai is had a meaning that it doesn't matter if something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Temo kamawanai, that means you can use with a verb and adjective and noun. For the adjective, you can use including non-adjective and adjective. But when you use the verb, you should change the verb to be the te form. And for adjective, you should cut out e and change to be kute. For non-adjective and noun, you can follow by de. After that, you follow or end by mo kamawanai or mo kamaimasen. In here, you can use you can write in hiragana, you see here, or you can write in kanji. It doesn't matter, it just has the same meaning in Japanese. So when you write the kamawanai, you can write in kanji or you can write in hiragana. It doesn't matter, and it just has the same meaning. So now let's learn how to change the form. In here, let's learn how to change the form verb and compound to be the Temo kamawanai. In here, we have the verb furu. If we change to be the te form, we can change like furute. And after that, we compound to the Temo kamawanai. We can say furutemo kamawanai. That means when you use with a verb, you should change the verb to be the te form. And after that, you follow by mo kamawanai or mo kamaimasen. In here, you can write in hiragana or in kanji, just depend to you. So this is about how to change and how to use the grammar of Temo kamawanai. Let's see the next. In here, we are going to learn about how to change the adjective and use with the grammar Temo kamawanai. In here, we have the adjective reading kanashi. In here, when you change to be the kute, that means we cut the e and we replace by kute. And we can say kanashi kute, something like this. Please remember that whenever you want to change the adjective to be they form, you cut out the e and replace by kute. As you see here. And when you use with the grammar, we can say kanashikute mo kamawanai or kanashikute mo kamaimasen. As you see here, it just had the same meaning. The next example, we are going to learn about how to change non-adjective to be they form and use the grammar Temo kamawasen. Here we have the non-adjective shizuka. When we change to the de, we can change like shizuka de. As depend to the rule of the grammar, we after the non-adjective, you should follow by de, right? So in here we have shizuka, and we change to de form can change to be like shizuka de. And when we compound or use with the grammar kamawanai, you can say shizuka de mo kamawanai, something like this. That means you change to be the de and after that followed by mo kamawanai, as you see here. The next, in here we learn how to change the noun. In this case, we also have the noun shōshinsha. Shoshinsha is mean that the beginner. Shoshinsha. When you change to the de form, you can change like Shoshinsha de. Shoshinsha de. When you use the grammar, you can say Shoshinsha demo kamawanai. Shoshinsha demo kamawanai. Something like this. So what you have to remember, that means you have to remember that when you use the na-adjective at the noun, you should end by de and after that followed by mo kamawanai. Right. And the special one is just the adjective, but that every time you want to change, you should cut out the e and replace by kute, something like this. Now let's see some sample. In here, the first sample here we have ame ga futte mo kamawanai. Ame ga futte mo kamawanai, which means I don't mind if it rains. I don't mind if it rains. The next sample. Kimi ga nani o shite mo kamawanai yo. Kimi ga nani o shite mo kamawanai yo. I don't mind what you do. I don't mind what you do. In here, the first sentence there you see that they use the verb furu, right? When we change to the they form, can say fute and after that followed by mo kamawanai or mo kamaimasen. Just like the same meaning, which means that don't mind, right? Fute mo kamaimasen, which means even if it rains, I don't care or no problem, something like this. And for the second sentence, you see that they use the verb suru, right? The word suru. When you change to be the te form, can change shite, and after that followed by mo kamawanai, something like this. So in here we say kimi ga nani o shite mo kamawanai yo, which means that whatever you do, I don't care, or whatever you do, I don't mind. Just depend to you, something like this. Kamawana is mean that when you use no problem in the case there. So the next example, ima kaite mo kamaimasen ka? Ima kaite mo kamaimasen ka? Which means that, do you mind if I leave now? Do you mind if I leave now? The next example, ここでタバコを吸っても構いませんか？ここでタバコを吸っても構いませんか？ Which means, do you mind if I smoke here? Do you mind if I smoke here? Let's consider the first sentence. The first sentence is say, 今書いても構いませんか? This means, when you want to make the question, you can say 構いませんか or 構わないかですか something like this. 構わないですか or 構いませんか it just has the same meaning that if I leave now, something like this. 今書いても構いませんか which means that if I leave now, do you mind or something like this. That means you want to ask another body that any problems if I leave now. And for the second sentence, you see that they use the verb su. Su is mean smoke, right? And they say タバコを吸っても構いませんか? Which means that when you want to ask somebody that any problems, or may I or can I, something like this. And when they say, ここでタバコを吸っても構いませんか? Do you mind if I smoke here? Or may I smoke here? Something like this. That means when you use the kamawasen or kamawanai, that means you want to ask for another body that you have to got the permission from another body. That if in the place maybe it might have some rule for anybody, right? So when you have question in your opinion, or you have something in your mind that might make some problem, you can ask like kamawasen or kamawanai desu ka? Something like this means any problem if I do something. And here for the last sentence said, ここでタバコを吸っても構いませんか? Which means you want to ask for the permission from another body. Because sometimes you stay in some place and many people stay together. So you just are the newcomer, so you have to ask the permission. Is there any rule or any problem if I do this?